Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So, in today's video, I'm gonna help you out how to choose between Robinhood or Tastytrades. And before starting this comparison video, I wanna make one thing clear, because I won't tell you which platform is better. Both platforms are great, and I will tell you with my experiences today, which platform fit you the best. Just to add here, the idea is not to rank them, but to help you understand which one matches your trading style so you don't end up choosing something that feels too advanced or too simple later. So let's start right here with the comparison video. And I made 5 categories, and I will tell you the differences on those categories. These categories are basically the most important things you should look at before choosing any trading platform, especially if you are just getting started or switching from another app. So let's start right here with the first one, and that is main focus. Robinhood has the main focus on simple investing and trading. Tastytrade has the main focus on options-focused trading. So I can tell you that Tastytrade is an options-focused trading platform. To make it clearer, Robinhood is designed for straightforward buying and selling of stocks and ETFs, while Tastytrade is built specifically for traders who want to work deeply with options strategies like spreads, straddles, and more advanced derivatives trading. If you go to Robinhood is the best for beginner investors and traders, and Tastytrade is the best for active options traders. For example, if you are someone who just wants to invest monthly in a few stocks or ETFs and keep it simple, Robinhood feels easier. But if you are someone who enjoys analyzing market moves and actively trading options, Tastytrade becomes more suitable. Then if you go right here to trading tools, Robinhood has a basic chart and trading tool, where Tastytrade has advanced option analyses and strategy tools. So you can already see it a little bit. If you want to use an advanced platform, I recommend you Tastytrade more. If you are a beginner, I can recommend you more Robinhood. A simple example is that Robinhood gives you basic price charts and simple indicators, while Tastytrade gives you deeper analytics like probability tools, options chains, and strategy builders, which are very helpful if you want to trade more professionally. But if you go right here to the interface, Robinhood has an extremely simple and beginner-friendly interface, and Tastytrade is more a modern platform and is built for active traders. In real use, Robinhood feels very fast and minimal, where you can place trades in just a few taps, while Tastytrade feels more like a professional dashboard designed for people who spend time analyzing before executing trades. If you look right here to the fees and trading costs, Robinhood has a commission-free trading, and Tastytrade has a competitive options pricing. This is important because while Robinhood is great for low-barrier entry investing, Tastytrade can become more efficient for frequent options traders due to its structured pricing model for derivatives. If you look right here, in a quick summary, many traders use Robinhood to do on simple investing stocks, ETF options trading, and beginner-friendly investing, and many traders use Tastytrade for options trading, advanced strategies, active trading, and derivatives-focused investing. In simple terms, Robinhood is more for people who want easy access and flexibility without complexity, while Tastytrade is more for serious traders who want depth, strategy, and more control over advanced market positions. So hopefully after seeing this video, you know exactly which one fits you the best. At the end of the day, the right choice depends on whether you prefer simplicity or advanced trading tools. And once you understand that difference, your decision becomes much easier. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.